Hi, my name is Mary, and I am just getting started with my journey with Dr. Durst and my hormone replacement therapy. This is my third time of getting the replacement after suffering for several years and having no clue what was wrong with me and just completely losing myself. I immediately felt better and after the first visit, and I'm getting more hormone replacement today, and I'm looking forward to seeing how much further this carries me. So I found out about Dr. Durst. Honestly, I'd just been suffering for years, absolutely suffering for several years, and I had been to several doctors. And late one night, I was just Googling different phrases about how bad I was feeling and, was it normal? And her website came up, and I started reading about her story, which is an amazing story. She was an ER doctor, and after going through it herself, she decided that total women's care and wellness was needed and important, and it is. I know from other girlfriends who have not gotten the same care that I'm getting here. I know from myself the lack of care that I could find before I found Dr. Durst. And it's wonderful to be able to come here and to get so much that's focused only on women at one time and in one location. When I first called, and I was feeling pretty sick, and of course we have all the COVID and everything to worry about. They made it so easy on me to get started, to get my blood drawn, and then for them to figure out a game plan, because I was to the point to where I'd gone to different doctors, and it's just like, I'm sick of going to doctors. I'm too sick to go to the doctor. It's just sort of how you start to feel. And they made it very easy for me to get started with just the paperwork online and then just the simple blood draw. And then she evaluated everything that I needed and got started, and I immediately started feeling better. What I would love for people to know about Dr. Durst and what she can do is, a lot of times girlfriends don't talk, or even we don't talk with our mothers, or they don't know about that there is hormone replacement available. I was amazed when I started telling some of my girlfriends how great I felt, and they're like, "Oh yeah, I've done that." A lot of people don't talk about it, but then even more people, I think more women they don't know, and even husbands, they don't realize maybe what's affecting their spouse. People don't talk about it, and they're not aware. I had actually gotten tests done with my regular doctors, and they did not pick up on the things that Dr. Durst picked up on immediately. So it took, I think I suffered longer than I needed to suffer. People should talk about this more. They need to tell all of their friends to get tested, and I would highly recommend Dr. Durst over any other place that I've been. Like I said, I've seen a lot of doctors and a lot of specialists over the past few years, and none of them helped me immediately the way that Dr. Durst helped me.